Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Atiq Rahman YouTube channel. In today's video, I will let you know how to calculate difference between two dates. You can see that there is a table. In the start of the table, there is mentioned start date of like from the which date I have to use the formula, and there is end date as well. And then the next column, the third column, here we can see that number of years completed, and then we will figure it out number of months completed, and then and the last we will figure it out number of days completed. And you can see on the right side there is abbreviation which I use YMD. Y we will use for years, M we will use for the months, and D we will use for the days. So this three abbreviation you will see in the formula as well. Now we will use the formula. Before I will use the formula, I will request you like my video at the end. Please hit the like button and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will see more video in the future through notification. Let's move to the topic. So we will start this function, and this function name is datedif. So we will press first is equal to. Every formula will start with the is equal to, most of them, and first we will write date, D-A-T-E. You can see when I write date, so it's showing date but not the diff. So what we will do, we will write DIF diff, and you cannot see in the Excel as I show you before, but this if you use this one, so it will work. You will see the result in a minute. You will see the result. So we will open the bracket, and then we will select the date from which we are going to looking for the years, and comma, and then we will select the date till which date we want the result, and then we will press the comma again, and then we will shift press open quote, and then we will mention Y because we are looking for the years, and then we will close with the open shift press open close quote, and then close bracket, and you have to press enter. So you will see that there is 0. Because why is 0? Because there is this is less than 1 year. So what you have to do, you don't have to, you can use this formula one by one, but if you want to save your time, you have to drag this one till down. So you can see that this one is 1 year, 1 year, 1 year, because in this formula is only calculating the year. So this is less than 2 years, so obviously that's why it's showing only 1 year. The next one is also, third one is also, fourth one is also, and fifth one you can see that more than 2 years, so it's showing 2 here. Now we will move to the months. The same formula you will use, start with the is equal to, and then date diff open bracket, and then start date, comma, end date, comma, shift press open quote, and now you will use, instead of Y, you will use M, and then close quote, bracket close, and enter. You will see that 11 months, because it's not going to be tell you the exact days. That days you can see in the next column. Okay, when you see this plus, so you can drag this one, so you will see the result till end. Okay, now we will move to the third one. You have to press is equal to, and then again date diff open bracket, and then select the starting date, comma, ending date, comma, shift plus open quote, and now this time you have to use D for days, and now you have to press shift plus close quote, bracket close, and you can see that 364. Now from here you can see that this is the less than 1 year. So now you can, again you will see when there is a plus on the corner, so you can drag this one till end. So you will see the result here, 758 days in the last one. So this is the way you can calculate the number of years, months, and days. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon so you will see more video notification in the future. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.